Hey, check this out. Really quick video today. I've been thinking for ages about doing something that I first did in BASIC, like many years ago. Do you remember the days when you got a computer and it just had BASIC on it? And you can actually write programs really easily. And now you have to learn some real complex ass language before you can write any code. It's a pain in the arse. Over the last probably 5 or so years, I've been writing quite a lot of R. So I thought I'll do it in R. And it's a little bit strange because basically like build a table and then just keep extending the table with coordinate values. Anyway, cut a long story short, if you pick 3 dots, if you imagine 3 corners of a triangle and you give them numbers 1, 2, 3, and you just pick one randomly, and then you just randomly pick another one, and you put a dot halfway between the two, and then you randomly pick another corner of the triangle, and you put a dot halfway between where you are now and that corner of the triangle, and then you randomly pick another corner and you put a dot between where you are now and that corner of the triangle. It fills in and you get what's called the Sierpinski triangle, which is a type of fractal, which is, you'll see it, it's triangles within triangles within triangles within triangles. And it just also turns out, and I made a video about this a few years ago, that if you make Pascal's triangle, which I can explain in a separate video, but if you make Pascal's triangle and you highlight all of the odd numbers and you do it and you make it big enough, ideally you'd make it infinite, but you can't do that. But if you make a really big Pascal's triangle and you highlight all the odd numbers, you get the same pattern, which is pretty incredible. So I hope that serves as a half decent intro. I think I'll probably put all of the code in the information in case anybody wants to borrow my program and see how it works. And if anybody wants me to explain how the program works, I'm happy to do that. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, comment below, ding the bell. Thanks a lot. Bye.